Good afternoon, this is Carlos, Touch Class Painting and Handyman Service. And this is the third day of compounding. It's almost there. Ceilings are looking very nice. Once I sand everything down, it's going to look wonderful. I want to thank you very much for watching my videos. You can hit like, you can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on Instagram. Again, my number is 401-696-1650. I'm the owner, Touch Class Painting. My name is Carlos Santiago Jr. Happy holidays. Now this is what's really beautiful. An indoor pool. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.